Hello and welcome to Arabic language lessons. This is lesson 1 and 20, the properties of the meaning letter. الدرس 21 خصائص حرف المعنى. As usual, we begin by saying Assalamu alaikum. We spoke before of the meaning letter in lesson 11, but we will speak of the properties of the meaning letter because we will need it for future lessons, like upcoming lessons. So the first thing that you notice when you look at a meaning letter is it either comes in one letter or in the form of one letter or two letters, as in the example of B, which means with, or O, which means or. Second thing is, and this will not make sense now, but it will in the future, so remember it. It influences, but it does not get influenced in the sentence. Third one is it has a meaning, as opposed to other letters that aren't meaning letters, they are just building letters. The meaning letter, even though it's just one letter, it has a meaning. The last one, it needs a connection. For example, you cannot say be and stop. You have to add something. Like the example in English, like you cannot say I came with and then stop. You're supposed to continue and say something. Like I came with my friend, right? And like you have it in an example as biyadi, with my hand, as in the something that you add. I should mention that there is a difference of opinion on one of the points that I mentioned between those two. One of them is Saeed Al-Afghani, and he's known for writing the book Al-Mujaz fi Qawaid al-Lugha al-Arabiyya. He wrote this book, it's a grammar book that he wrote for university students. The other one is Khalid Al-Maghribi, and he's an online teacher for the website ضفاف لعلوم اللغة, which I will leave both of them I will leave link to. And the two of them have disagreed on the meaning letters. Saeed Al-Afghani thinks that there's only 80 meaning letters, and there are meaning letters that come in 3 or 4 or 5 letters per word, like building letters. On the other hand, Khalid thinks that no, it comes in either 1 or 2 building letters. And on YouTube, he teaches the Alfiyat ibn Malik, which is like a 1,000-verse poem that has everything there is to know about grammar. Anyways, I just wanted to mention that. I will leave the links to both these things if you're interested. Our short lesson. I hope you learned something, and we will need to know this for a future lesson when we speak about the mu'rab and the mabni. Oh yes, مع السلامة.